Hello everyone, Mrs. Collier here to teach you our first lesson in writing. We will begin Unit 7 called Creative Writing with Structure. We will not be working with a story or an article, but from what we already know and what already interests us. So to start, we need a topic. How do we pick a good topic? You must first pick a topic that interests you. Part of being a good writer is being passionate about what you're writing. Next, you have to have knowledge about your topic. We will be developing a 5-paragraph essay on your topic, so having knowledge about it will make it easier for you to share the information with your reader. Let me show you. I've created a list of 5 topics that I am pretty knowledgeable about based on my own life experiences. Dogs, football, softball, crafting, and cooking. Now, on a sheet of paper, I want you to make a list of 5 topics that interest you and that you're pretty knowledgeable about. Pause the video to give yourself time to do that. I hope you came up with some good ideas. Now, the topics we have chosen are too big to write about, so we have to narrow down the information in what we call subtopics. Subtopics are more specific details about the topic you've chosen. I chose the topic of dogs to write about, and here is a list of some specific things about dogs that I am pretty knowledgeable about. 1 is what they like to play with. 2, how to keep them healthy. And 3, how they can make you feel. So you can see I'm pretty knowledgeable about all these things, and they're more specific, but I'm still sticking to the topic of dogs. So now, from your list of topics, I want you to choose one that you want to write about and share it with your class. On the same piece of paper, I want you to create 3 subtopics or specific details about the topic you chose. You can use my example as a guide. Now pause your video and work on that now. How did you make out? Now we're going to start building our keyword outline. If you want, you can print off a copy of the keyword outline that's attached to the website for this unit, or you can create your own from the sample here. Remember, it has to look exactly like the one here. Let's take my first topic, subtopic about what dogs like to play with. So you can see I chose tug, rope, outside, run, chase, together, throw, sticks, doesn't return, that's what the X is for, means doesn't, bark, loudly, stop. Now, I want you to think about first the sentence you want to write about, and then choose the 3 words to create the outline. It's always easier for you to think first about what it is you want to say, then choose your 3 words. Now, when you get to the clincher or transition sentence, remember to think about the next topic or subtopic, and then create a sentence in your mind that will move you from one idea to the next. So you can see my next subtopic is about the dog's health, and the key words that I chose reflect what I'm going to talk about next. Play is important, but keeping them healthy is even more important. So that is kind of what I was thinking about when I was talking about my transition. Now, I want you to try this with your first subtopic, creating the keyword outline. And you want to create keywords just for subtopic 1 today. Tomorrow, you can go ahead and work on subtopics 2 and 3. Don't go any further, because on Wednesday, we're going to learn how to write the introduction paragraph using keyword outline. And then next week, we'll talk about how to write the conclusion using the keyword outline. So you need to get all 3 subtopics done by Wednesday, because again, the next lesson we'll start working on the introduction and then eventually build our 5-paragraph essay. I'm so excited to start reading some of your work. We will then start to share how you can share that with us as teachers so we can give you some feedback on that. So stay tuned, and I hope you're having a great day, and we will see you then on Wednesday. Bye for now.